I don't know how much you'd be able to see, but I've got the green light on. We're gonna roll over here the east side of that lake. Nice and easy like. Bunch of ruts over here. Gotta be careful. They ain't super easy to see with that green light on. Yeah, we just threw a chain or something. Alright, technical difficulties. Let's figure out what happened. Dagnabbit. We were doing good. Alright, let me get my other light on. Turn this off. Ain't gonna need that. What do we got? We got a big ass weed wrapped in gears. That ain't super good. Alright. Let's get that out of there. Am I making this look real easy? Because it's not. Man, I got that thing jammed in there, didn't I? There's a piece of it. That's not helping our cause. Trying to be stealthy. Well, that little rascal is in there. It's everywhere. Well, since I put this weed guard on, that's the first time we've gotten a weed jammed up in the bike. And that's got something out of whack here. Well, alright, I'm gonna get this at least somewhat working and then get back with you. We got a little bit of a problem here. How does that look? Kind of close. Not really. Much more of that weed's in there. Alright. For you guys that are always talking about the hub drives, yeah, hub drive would have won on that, probably. Still would have had to clean your derailleur at some point, but it may not have affected your forward movement. Let's put my gutter in eco mode. Let's turn the headlamp on. Well, fellas, I believe we got her going. That's good, because we're a long ways away from camp. Here we go. Note to self, stay away from those big tall weeds. There's some big old ruts on this one too. Big ruts. I can't tell if I'm on the road still or not. Feel like maybe not. Somehow we got off the road. Maybe. Maybe not. Let's do some surveying before we have another catastrophe with the derailer. Alright. Would y'all agree we're on the road here? Which way does the road go? There's the dang road over there, so somehow we took a small detour. Alright. Let's go that way. Ugh. There we go. That looks like a road. Are you guys getting dizzy? Oh, look at that. What in the world was that? A rabbit? I think that was a tiny rabbit. Might have been a bird. Alright, here's another questionable area again. Did we end up getting off the dang road again? Whoa! Well, I don't see no hogs. Lake's over there somehow. Alright. This didn't take us where I thought it would. It's hard to see in the dark too. Oh yeah, that's the problem. That's what that detour is about back there. Just nice and easy so we don't get nothing hung up in the derailer again. These little bushes are problematic on the old derailer. But you don't want to hit that pipe at 30 mile an hour, I guarantee you that. You don't want to hit it at 5 mile an hour. Don't fall off in that ditch. That'd jack up a derailer. I don't know that we want to come down here if it's real muddy. Note to self. That ain't a good trail if it's muddy. This is where we got hung up with that crap last time. And we got some ruddy stuff up here. Just try to stay out of that the best we can. That was a good stall. Boy, you get down in that valley and it's cold, cold, cold air. You get back up here and it's nice and warm. About 70 degrees instead of 50 something. You can sure tell them metal fenders when you hit a rock.